Welcome, dear friends. This is me, Asif Javed. I welcome one and all. In this video, I am going to talk on a very important topic. All of you must be aware that UPSC notification is out, and as per sources, JKPSC is also going to advertise uh, posts of civil services, that is JKS, JKAS, and JKPS soon. So, regarding that, as all of you know that civil services has three components. One of them is preliminary exam, another one is mains, and the final one is the interview. So the gateway to this exam is prelims exam. So if you have gone through prelims only, then can you sit in mains, and if you have got good marks in mains exam, then you can appear for interview, and at the end, if you get good marks, then you can fulfill your dream of becoming a KS or IS officer. But in this whole journey, there is an important component which you cannot lose sight of, and this is CSAT, Civil Services Aptitude Test. So when I am talking about Civil Services Aptitude Test, I essentially mean a set of components which you guys have to cover to qualify that part. This is just of qualifying nature, but most of the students have got good marks in general studies, but they do not care much about CSAT part, and this backfires to them, and they are not able to clear prelims exam, and hence their dream of becoming a KS or IS officer, this is not fulfilled at all. So let us discuss the syllabus of civil services aptitude test, and also look at the trend that which components they are asking questions from every year. So let us have a quick look at the various topics of CSAT, and also have a close look at the trend which UPSC has been following for past few years. So let us have the look. If you look at this, you can see clearly that this is UPSC prelim syllabus. It consists of two parts: General Studies paper first and CSAT or General Studies paper two. I am not going to discuss about paper one right now. It consists of current events, history of India and Indian national movement, India and world geography, Indian polity and governance, economic and social development, environmental ecology, biodiversity and climate change, and of course general science. But right now we are gonna discuss about CSAT, Civil Services Aptitude Test. So the first component of this CSAT syllabus, it comprises of comprehension. In comprehension, you will be given a passage from some good passages, some passages, analytical passages, I must say. You are required to go through the passage a couple of times, and once you go through the passage properly, then after that you are given certain questions which are related to the passage. So if you have properly analyzed the passage, only then can you attempt those questions. Then coming to the second part of this, it consists of interpersonal skills, including communication skills. So verbal communication, non-verbal communication, and the various things related to the communication skills, they are also being asked in civil services exam CSAT paper. Then your logical reasoning and analytical ability is checked. It is purely how your brain works. This is checked, that how can you certain problems are given to you, you have to work on those problems. So these questions are also asked from logical reasoning and analytical ability. Then decision making and problem solving questions are also asked. Of course, if you are to become a good administrator, then your decision making power should be good, and your problem solving must also be good. So that is checked through mathematical questions. Then general mental abilities also checked. Basic numeracy, which consists of quantitative aptitude, and you must be knowing in quantitative aptitude your ratio, proportion, then profit and loss, discount, compound interest, simple interest, all these sort of questions are asked. And this is just 10th level. It's not too, I would say, it's not high five mathematics which you have to go for, but this basic numeracy, which consists of quantitative aptitude, you have to work on that. Number system is covered in it. Then you have data interpretation. You have to interpret the data. Histograms is there. Then you have bar diagrams. Tables are given to you and you have to analyze them properly. So this is in brief the syllabus of CSAT. Now, if we look at the trend, recent trend, if you look at the trend, you can see clearly that if you let us take arbitrarily some years like 2011, they have asked 11 questions from math and basic numeracy. Then from logical and analytical reasoning, they have asked 17 questions. From reading comprehension, they have asked 39 questions. Decision making 8 and data interpretation 5. Similarly, you can pause the video and you can take screenshot. You can also look at the trend for the successive years. So the trend keeps on changing, but you can see clearly that math portion is dominated most of the times. So you must be good at mathematics, you must be good at quantitative aptitude. So this is all we have from a discussion of the syllabus of CSAT. Hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much and have a nice day.